435-0000.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Well, muchas gracias.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Honor.
Have a good day. All right, I'm about to
Que
let them
tenga
in.
buen día, señora, a la orden.
That's right, I'm gonna let them in.
Got it. Great, Judge. All rise. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on right now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. You may be seated. Please mute your devices.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Por favor, mantengan todos sus dispositivos de micrófono en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. Por favor, en silencio los micrófonos en esta corte. No se permite estar fumando, ni comiendo, ni moviéndose de un lado a otro. Por favor, tienen que estar debidamente sentados y vestidos apropiadamente, nada de camisetas ni de ninguna cobertura en la cabeza, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. No puede estar hablando, comiendo ni manejando. Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. La corte entra en sesión. Señor Efraín, por favor, póngase su micrófono en silencio.
Taylor checked in on Tony Gardner.
Since the women are allowed to have head coverings with the exception of bonnets, you want me to just include and for women, no bonnets?
Yeah.
All right, let's, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in. Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready to go? Ms. Williams-Law? What's going on? Did she fall off?
No.
Ms. Williams-Law.
I don't see her.
She's unmuted, but I think we just can't hear her.
Okay.
I don't see her on here at all.
Oh, she was just there. Her hand is raised.
Oh, I see. Are we ready to go?
That's why we don't have to. Hey, that's a good question. So what was your question?
All right. Good morning, Ms. Hernandez. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, everybody. My name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO qualified Spanish interpreter, number 15575, Your Honor.
And can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus FRN Landaverde, case number SP 188-23302. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, vamos a llamar al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Efraín Landaverde, número de caso SP 188-23302. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta, comenzando por el abogado.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Landaverde.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr., estoy representando al acusado. Señor Landaverde, por favor, estoy representando al señor Landaverde. Abra su micrófono y diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Abra su micrófono ahora. Ajá. Diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Efraín Landaverde Velázquez.
Efraín Landaverde Velázquez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Landaverde. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que consulte con su abogado y le obtenga una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía.
Wait a minute.
Where are you going?
Please mute your device.
All right, go ahead.
Le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Siempre entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, muy bien puede usted ir a juicio si así lo desea. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada número 2. Join.
I have to send it to him.
Señor, ponga join. Cuando vea la invitación, toque su pantalla. ¿La ve?
All right,
Okay.
let's pass.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'm done on this one.
Michael Lanton, you need to mute yourself. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Gardner, case number SP 186-03141, SP 186-0290, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Michael Anthony Gardner.
All right. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gardner will put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She'll attempt to get you updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And join the room when you see the prompt. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yeah, I did.
Hey, hold on. Everybody's got to be quiet. Mute themselves, please. All right. Let's go with Mr. Soroki. You need an SOS. Or not. He's in the breakout room. Run Oliver's license. Mr. DiMaggio. Good morning to you. Who's your client?
Dominic Loggins.
All right, Dominic Loggins is here. Do you need a breakout room with Miss Loggins?
I've already talked to her. We'd like to set this for a trial.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dominic Loggins. Case number SP 1455313, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619.
All right, Ms. Loggins, good morning to you. Would state your name for the record, please.
Dominique Loggins.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna set a trial date for you for, let's see, I have May the 22nd at 9 a.m.
Good date.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Loggins, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And Counselor, do you have anyone else?
Pardon?
You as well.
I'm
Anyone
good,
else?
Judge. No one else. Thank you, Judge.
Have a great day.
You too.
Let's go with Ms. You. Ms. Paris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
T. Larkins, I don't believe has showed yet. And the other individual you have listed there, I do not believe has showed yet.
Mr. Larkins reached out to me. I'm not sure where he is. As far as Ms. Gillum, she reached out very early this morning and said that she was having an issue. She wasn't having an issue and wasn't going to be able to make it on, but I need pre-trial dates for both of them to finish working through their discovery and to figure out what they want to do.
Well, if she can reach out to you, she needs to reach out to the court. I mean, too, you know, I mean,
Right. I told her that and she hasn't responded back to me, so I don't have any further information. I can try to reach out to her again, but I did tell her that she should try to still appear or at least reach out to the court, but yeah.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Vandaverde. Mr. Vandaverde, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para en el acta con el caso del señor Landaverde. Señor Landaverde, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. ¿Qué desea hacer, señor abogado, su representado?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed.
Señor, según la recomendación de la fiscalía, este caso va a ser desestimado.
Sí, está bien.
That's okay.
Case dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Señor, está bien. El caso ha sido desestimado. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede desconectar. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much. Your Honor, it looks like Mr. Jose Cortez is back from 435.
Yeah, I don't know why he's back.
I don't know either.
How can we help you, Mr. Cortez?
Señor Cortés, abra su micrófono. Por favor, lo ponemos a volver a ayudar. ¿Qué pasó?
Oh, pues metí el código y me volvió a meter aquí.
435. 435. Este 5 los está marcando mal. 435. 360, 435. Este 543.
Oh, está al revés. Primero es el 435.
Señor, 435 es 435.
Y después 360.
360, 435.
Okay.
You need to write it down. Write it down.
No, he's write it down in the phone. Señor, lo tiene que escribir.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Gracias.
Yeah, he just did it wrong.
Run his license.
Sálgase pues. Tiene que ir. Okay, Your Honor. And
Anyone else?
if you need me.
Anyone
no,
that you can find out, if you can ask anyone else, do they need a Spanish interpreter? I'd appreciate it.
Buenos días, señores y señores. ¿Hay alguien aquí en la galería que necesite intérprete de español? Buenos días. ¿Hay alguien presente ya aquí en la galería que necesite un intérprete de español? Por favor, abra su micrófono y díganos. Please open your mic and let us know.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Hernandez.
You're welcome, Your Honor. If you need me, just call Elvia. Bye, Mayra. Thank you. Ciao, everybody.
Ciao. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room, ma'am. Good morning to you. What is your
Good
name,
morning.
please?
Tony Geiger.
Geiger?
Yes, sir.
Tony Geiger.
Hey, it's like,
Okay. All right. Your matter set for trial, ma'am. Your attorney's
sir.
here. I'm gonna assign you to breakout room. I'm gonna assign you to breakout room 6 and wait on Mr. Taylor to come see you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
That's Officer Nasser. I'm gonna go check in room 331 and be right back, sir.
Very well. Good morning to you. Let's call City of Detroit versus Kayvon Ulysses Green, case number SP 129-08401, SP 184-5088, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 9715531, SP 997013, counts 1, 2, and 3, SX 7590341, 19-5169521. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne appearing on behalf of Mr. Kayvon Green, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Green, could you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Kayvon Ulysses Green.
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter is set for a pretrial. I did not have all those tickets. I'm going to need to meet with the city attorney regarding this case.
All right, Mr. Green, good morning to you, Ms. Payne, and good morning to you, Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. I'm gonna allow your attorney an opportunity to get up to speed on the other cases that weren't listed on her order. So just sit tight, give her an opportunity to check on this, and she'll come see you. All right?
No problem.
All right. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor.
Hold on a second. Don't, please. Please. As was requesting an attorney the last time, and I don't know. Is anybody here on Lawson, Harold Lawson? Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus, oh, he requested an attorney as well. Nico Landers. Yeah. Dominique Loggins has an attorney. We called that Jonathan Ladic. I think he had an attorney as well. Good morning to you, Mr. Ladic.
Good morning, sir.
Did you did you request an attorney?
I think I have one already. He had sent me an email and everything.
Who was that?
I gotta go through my email. Hold on, sir.
Well, if you got one, we'll wait to see it when that attorney.
You know, sir.
we need to start checking these files ahead of time to make sure that these appointed attorneys have maybe another appointed attorney. I can see if Lloyd requested an appointed attorney the last time, please. Yes.
Your Honor.
Mr. Barrett, let's call the city of Detroit versus Antoine Lowe, case number SP 11567801, SP 1753519. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1753761, SP 176873001, SP 1786305, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179 6277, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1811921, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 181194111. SP 1857745, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1857753, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1874790, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Antoine Lowe, case number SX 4653538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lowe.
Antoine Jamon, the second.
Your Honor, Mr. Lowe does not appear on my docket.
He's on the second page of mine at the pretrial. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 cases. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 25 into the record. We'll get you an updated docket, Mr. Berry. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you, Mr. Lowe, in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. If you need those updated cases, we'll get those after you get that docket, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lowe, when you see the prompt, join the room. What you want to do when you come out? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a 6 to 10.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, understand this, Mr. Gardner, if you take this deal, then I don't know how it's going to impact your getting a valid driver's license in moving forward, because it is going to abstract to the Secretary of State, and this deal does carry 6 to 10 is how many points?
2 points, Your Honor.
Oh, I need to go back in the breakout room then, please, Your Honor.
Very well. Go back to the breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Mr. Taylor, who's your client? All right, Ms. Payne, you have Gazard as well?
I do, and I also have Garcia, Your Honor.
All right. And do you know what you want to do with those? Do you know what those individuals want to do?
Your Honor, I need to speak with the city attorney. At this point, there's been no offer.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Gazard, I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. You wait on Miss Payne to come see you. Good morning to you. Miss Garcia, is there any offer on that one, Miss?
No, Your
offer.
No, Your Honor.
Garcia,
Sorry, no offer.
yeah, I got that. All right, Ms. Garcia, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8. Wait on Miss Payne to come see you, okay?
Okay.
Are you gonna need to be prepared to turn your camera on when we call your case? All right. Join the room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
On iPhone, yeah, you fell off. What is your name again, sir? That is
Kayvon.
Mr.
Kayvon Ulysses Green. Sorry about that.
If you're called, if you answer the call while you're on there, it's gonna drop you off.
Sorry about that, sir. I was trying to decline it.
Breakout room with Mr. Green again. Mr. Payne?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm trying to figure out, Kevon Green was supposed to be in 7, and now we
Yeah,
have.
he fell off. He fell off. I'm gonna put him in 9.
Okay,
All right. Join the room.
will do.
Mr. Vassal Johnson, you need a breakout room with Nico Landers.
Yes, sure.
You do?
Yes, sir.
It'll be 10. Mr. Landers, good morning to you. Mr. Johnson's gonna come when he's got things situated. On the telephone at 980-42-08067. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Tahir Levy.
Levy?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Levy. Your matter is scheduled for trial. Give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer doesn't appear, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does appear, we'll get you speaking with an attorney, okay?
Somebody's on the Rico Landing.
Yes. Mr. Vassal Johnson appeared on Rico Landers. Thank you.
Right.
Anyone else ready? Mr. Taylor, are you ready on? Well, if the officer has appeared yet, we'll get her out of here. Geiger, yes, the officer is here.
Okay, I need to talk to the people then, Your Honor. Okay.
All right, Ms. Geiger, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 11. Mr. Taylor is gonna come see you when he has things situated, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Call the
Your
city
Honor.
attorney. Yes.
As to Mr. Lowe, there are 22 matters on the docket. You called 25.
Yes, let's see what's going on with that. All right, so Antoine Lowe. Do you have the updated docket, Mr. Berry?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, so
Judge Perkins vote. 3 minutes. When you accept it. Okay. When the attorney accepts something. I have don't see it.
So, Mr. Berry, I have expired plate, no insurance proof, and expired plate. Somehow those got, I don't know how they got missed. 2 expired
Thank you,
plates,
Your
1 proof.
Okay.
That would be 25, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, who are we ready on?
Marianne. Yes.
Johnny Clark, your officer Clark. Good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
Last name. G-R-A-T-T-A. Yes. Okay, great. Today. Okay.
Trace Lee. Trace Lee.
Give it to me. Let me get it to you.
Trace Lee. Tyrese Lee. Is that Tyrese? Turn your camera on, please.
Yes, I'm
Good
here.
morning. How can we help you, sir?
I have court this morning.
All right. What is your full name? Is that a
Tyrese.
do-rag?
Huh?
You have a do-rag on your head?
This is stocking cap.
All right. All right. What is Lee? Tyrese Lee. Let's see. I just don't see you on the Tyrese Lamont Lee.
Yes.
Oh, show cause. All right. Good morning to you. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Unmute yourself, start. State you're not you, Mr. Lee. I got you checked in. Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Autumn Gillum.
Say that again.
Autumn Gillum.
Autumn Gillum, you got to put some more clothes on, ma'am, please.
Oh, yeah, I need another shirt on.
Please. Good morning to you, Miss Gillum. I think your attorney is here.
I'm here.
Good morning. She said that she can't show up.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Miss Gillum said she couldn't show up this morning.
That was initially what was communicated to me.
Yeah, Miss Gillum.
I thought I was supposed to come inside.
Miss Gillum,
today.
listen, it doesn't work like that, right? That when you need to be here. If you were supposed to come inside, then you needed to be here. I don't know that it was that you're supposed to be here or not. I got to look at the file, but you can't just say I can't show up or something like that. All right, when you're scheduled to be here, you need to be here. This is the city of Detroit versus Autumn Gillum, case number U63025422. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615 here on behalf of Ms. Gillum. Ms. Gillum, please state your complete name.
Autumn Gillum.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Ms. Gillum want to do?
Your Honor, I am still going through discovery, so I would be requesting a final pretrial date to allow us to finish that and determine what she wants to do.
All right. All right, I'll give you one final pretrial date of May the 15th, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, are we clear now, Ms. Gillum?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
You're
Good
welcome.
morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. I'm just checking in on a guy.
Good morning to you, Officer Nelson.
I also have to check into Judge Wagner's and Judge Ramsey's.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you.
All right. Who are we ready on? Do you have anybody else, Ms. Paris?
I also have Terry Larkin. He said he was joining, so I'm not sure if he's in a waiting room or not.
All right, Ms. Horn is here now. I'm gonna put you all in the, whoever needs to go to the way to speak to Ms. Horn. Good morning to you, Ms. Horn. Any attorneys need to speak with Ms. Horn?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Go to waiting room 4, go to 4 while she's in the waiting room.
Okay, if you can give me co-host services again. Thank you.
You have them already.
Ready on Gardner.
Never came out. Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, was this a bench trial date?
Yes, informal hearing. And if there are any reinstatement fees that could be paid up front, we're asking for permission to pay those.
There's nothing down here. Mr. Gardner, come back on May the 26th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck. Let's call Oliver Did Ladic have an attorney? All of these need attorneys. Landers is here, but Ladic needs an attorney. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. If I'm not mistaken, I think I just seen my attorney here.
That's a Johnson, but it's not.
It may be. I don't know.
This is for Sharon Payne has this.
All right.
So was that another person?
Sharon, one of them. All of these have. Yeah. All right. Let's go down. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Jawan Lloyd, case number SP 160-99402, SP 164-58001. Appearance for the record, please.
Jawan Lloyd.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lloyd.
All right, Jawan Lloyd, everybody's got to turn their camera on. Don't, when I got to see who Lloyd is. Mr. Lloyd, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Today is date time and is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, and there's not been a request for an appointed attorney for Mr. Lloyd. Not in the file. Mr. Lloyd, join the room when you see the prompt. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just pass the matter. Are we ready on lead? Are we ready on low?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has a odd situation. He has a tether that apparently happened under another judge, and it would seem that the tether is improper because he is not the person who committed the whatever charge gave him as a father.
I think we've been through this before, right, Mr. Lowe?
Yeah, we have.
All right, so who is the other judge?
Shannon Holmes.
I thought this was
No, pre-trial.
All right, hold on a second. Let me I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Let me see if I can get in touch with Judge Holmes. Let me pass it, Mr. Lowe. All right. I'm gonna see if I can get in touch with Judge Holmes. Now give me give me the scenario. Let's go back on the record. Give me the scenario again. This tether is supposed to be pretty much what you say is your father, on your father and not you.
Yeah.
And have you ever talked to Judge Holmes about that?
Never, because ever since I got out of jail, you've been my judge ever since. So I couldn't never talk to her. I called her, the circuit office, and told them, but they act like they ain't never know what I was talking about. They act like she never issued the Tether for me. So
all right, let's pass that matter momentarily. I think I know what to do with this one. Let's pass that matter momentarily. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Truvon Lee, case number SP 187-8102, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, state your appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Hi, my name is Truvon Kalim Lee.
Where is the camera? Oh, he's there. Yeah, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time and is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Vassal Johnson, are you ready on Nico Landers?
I am, Your Honor.
Wrongly, Your Honor.
Did I put the wrong Lee in there?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry. Thank you for being for keeping for that heads up. I appreciate you.
No
All right.
problem.
Let me see. Holmes.
Ladic is Vassal Johnson.
Excuse me, Judge.
Hold on a second, please. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone?
Mr. Lloyd, I'm putting his contact information in the chat to request counsel.
All right. Mr. Johnson, you have a Ladic, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that's
a breakout.
cut off. That's cut off for officers. So now we can go back up to the top of the list, and who's ever had a trial, we can go ahead with that. All right, let's go back on the record with Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is my understanding you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to set a pretrial date for May the 15th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, Mr. Lloyd, we're going to get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. Same to you.
You too, thank you. City of Detroit versus Deandra Adele Moniz Guy, case number SP 183-8261, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 183-8263, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 187-0110, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. That's Ms. Harris.
Sorry, Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
She's in the classroom. This guy, can you unmute yourself, start your camera? Corporal Whitehead is here, and Officer Nelson did appear as well, and he's checked into another court. This guy, are you there? This guy. State your name for the record. This guy, I'm gonna state your name for the record, please.
Deandra Guy.
I'm gonna put you, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Officer Corporal Whitehead, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Whitehead, badge 4344, Detroit Police Department.
All right, can you start your video so this guy can see? Please. All right.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Here it is.
All right. Good morning to you, Corporal Whitehead.
Good morning.
This guy, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. You speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna try to work it out. If you can't work it out, today is the date and time set for trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, you can turn it off, Corporal Whitehead. I just wanted to make sure she got an opportunity to see it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Who is the prosecutor in this courtroom?
Or that would be Ms. Horn.
Okay, I haven't spoken with her yet.
Mr. Vassal Johnson, let's pass the matter. Mr. Vassal Johnson, are you ready on anyone?
I'm ready on Nico Landers.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Nico Kawan Landers. Case numbers. SP 181-74561, SP 186-4477, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please support Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Mr. Nico Landers. He's on Zoom. He has to unmute.
Good morning to you, Mr. Landers. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Nico Landers.
Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Johnson, what does Mr. Landers want to do?
Requesting a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Trial date is going to be May the 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay, Mr. Landers?
Yes.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Hey, thank you. You also.
Thanks.
Who else do you have, Mr. Johnson?
For Mr. Ladic, I just have to have a breakout room with him briefly.
You have Ladic as well.
Ladic. That's what I mean.
I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry. 6. Go to 6.
Thank you.
It's May 22nd at 9.
You said, what is that?
May 22nd at 9 a.m. Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
I don't have anyone. Ms. Guy indicated that Mr. Dupree is her attorney. I shifted her to breakout room 13 until he arrives.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm ready.
Okay. Give me a second, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Michael Land. I was waiting on my lawyer.
All right. Give me a minute, please. Good morning to you.
Okay, thank
Who's
you.
your lawyer?
I'm not sure. I was just I had been in the break room. I mean, just been in the court since 8:45. They just told me to come on at 8:45.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get you. We're just taking them in the order that you came in. I got you listed on the sheet. All right. What is Mr. Lanster, Reginald Lanster?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning to you. Did you ever have an appointed attorney? This is the city of Detroit versus Reginald Allen Langster, case number SP 186-82981. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Reginald Allen Langster.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Franco is here. Ms. Harris, speak to Mr. Langster in the breakout room. Mr. Langster, Ms. Harris is going to see if she can get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Officer Franco, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Officer Franco, badge 1308, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very well. All right, Mr. Langster, go ahead in the breakout room and see if Ms. Harris can work it out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Oliver, we're ready on Oliver. He has a valid
Your Honor.
driver's. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver Jr., Case number SP 137-78931, SP 155-3815, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1600643, SP 1600653, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1611157, counts 1, 2, SP 1615087, counts 1, 2, SP 1626797, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1633877, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1640770, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1643013, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1681665, counts 1, 2, SP 1699665, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Gregory Oliver Jr., case number SX 414747112. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Gregory Oliver Jr.
Good morning.
Your Honor, after Mr. Oliver, this is a pretrial. Prosecution was not providing an offer at this time. We have to set all these matters for another bench trial.
All right, Mr. Oliver, we can't miss the date this time, all right?
Nope, I'm on it. I'm taking accountability, man.
Valid driver's license, congratulations on that. Let's not mess it up this quick for missing dates.
I got you.
All right, May the 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Oliver, have a very good rest of your day. Best, Mr. Soroki.
That'll be by Zoom, is that correct, Your Honor?
Like Burger King, you have it your way.
Bro.
You want by Zoom, Mr. Oliver?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
May 22nd, May 22nd at 8:30.
Right.
8:30 is good, 9 a.m., whatever. Just be here.
Okay.
All right, let's go
Thank
back
you.
on the record.
Your Honor.
Anybody else? Soroki.
One more person, Mr. Harold Lawson. He's requested a court-appointed attorney. I was just giving a call from MIDC to step in and take this case over.
We have Detroit versus Kevin Lawson Jr. Case numbers SP 1830071, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1873183, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Harold Kevin Lawson Jr.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki, get acquainted, and have a conversation, a short conversation, and we'll see what happens after that. Join the room. Good morning to you, Mr. Lawson. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, thank
you.
Your Honor.
Hold on. Okay. Give me a second, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr.
Sorry, Your Honor. What room is Mr. Lawson going to?
Same one you left,
5.
same 5, yes. Right. Let's go. Where's Lee? Where's Lee's file? Truvon Lee. Do I have that one? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the expired points as charged, the insurance matter to be dismissed. And as to sanctions, Your Honor, he would appreciate if he could do community service.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes, that's possible.
All right, it is. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
For 30 days. I got 629 instead of 529. With that stipulation, Mr. Lee, I'll find you responsible as charged to the expired place. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-889-8856.
8856. 8856. All right, Mr. Lee, I'm gonna I'll just change. I'm gonna give you a number to the community service. You have an ink pen ready, sir?
Yes. All right.
The number is 313-965-8130. 313-965-8130. You shouldn't have to call them. I'll just give you that number just for reference, and you have a way to get in contact with the court. You know how to get in contact with the court. You can zoom in, and but they should call you and set the community service hours up. I give you that number just in case they don't call you. Then you can call them or get back in touch with the court, and we can see if we can assist to get them to call you. 6 hours of community service. I'll give you until May 29th to complete those hours. You complete those hours and we'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Lee, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus DeJuan Granberry. Case number SP 188-1128, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Granberry.
DeJuan Granberry.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, Mr. Granberry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Ladic? And give me the correct pronunciation.
You saying the right, Ladic?
All right, turn your camera on, please. All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan Deshaun Ladic. Case number SP 186-2385, counts 1, 2, 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Everybody.
Good morning, Mayor. Please support Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Ladic. He's on Zoom.
All right, good morning. State your name for the record, Mr. Ladic.
Jonathan Deshaun Ladic.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a retreat trial. What does Mr. Ladic want to do?
He wants to avail himself of the recommendation for the 3-month delay, dismiss the balance.
Okay. And that's 3 months transporting marijuana?
Yes, Your Honor.
He got a lighter in his hand now. He's acting like he wanted to smoke, light up some marijuana. He had a lighter in his hand. He took it out. You want to take the deal, Mr. Ladic?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
No, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to February the 11th, 2026 at around 1:03 p.m. and a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Greenfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some marijuana on you? Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did you have some marijuana?
Yes, sir.
And then that marijuana, where was that marijuana stored while you were in the motor vehicle?
And a cup holder.
In a cup holder. Okay, I find him guilty as charged. He can't store it in the passenger compartment of the motor vehicle. It's got to be treated almost like a pistol without a concealed weapons license. It needs to be put in the trunk or an area that motor vehicle is not accessible to you. Find him guilty. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. He needs to stop buying so much weed and spend some money on these cases that he owes. $240 on this one. He's got a driver's no insurance proof for $336. He can potentially set himself up to get a valid license if he paid that. I'm going to give you a 3-month delay on this $240. $240. You don't get any other trouble like this. You pay it by August the 27th is your next court date. August the 27th at 8:25. You get it paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Ladic, pay that. Don't get any other trouble. We'll dismiss the case. All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Anybody else, Mr. Johnson?
No, Your Honor. Thank you. See you.
All right. All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lawson's accepting off of the prosecution this matter. As to the ticket that has the two counts instead of 3 counts, Mr. Lawson on the open alcohol driver ticket will plead to open alcohol passenger, and count 2 on the transporting marijuana ticket. Mr. Lawson will plead as charged, and it will have a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining 3 matters will be dismissed.
So he's saying he had weed and alcohol, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand the deal on open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger can result in 2 points on your driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2026, around 4:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fort and Schaefer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, yes, I have a license.
I'm sorry. You had some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was a Bud Light.
Bud Light. Was it open?
Yes, it was, Your Honor.
Was it something in the container?
Yes.
Find him guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol and motor vehicle passengers. You had some marijuana in that motor vehicle?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And where was that marijuana stored?
In an ashtray.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count, as charged to the illegal transport of marijuana. Did you hear me on the other one? The marijuana, if you're going to transport the marijuana, is almost be treated like a pistol without a concealed weapons permit, it needs to be outside of the passenger compartment of the motor vehicle, meaning it's a trunk or something where it's not accessible to you. All right, find them guilty on that. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I will cut you a break. Just fine you for one of them through $240. Delayed sentence, 3 months. I won't fine you for the other. And $240. Pay it by August the 27th. Come back August the 27th. Pay it by then. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You pay it, don't get any other trouble, and we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Just one question, Your Honor. So if I pay before 240, before August, I still have to come to appear in court on the 27th?
No, not as long as you don't get any other trouble, get another ticket like that. We'll clear it out on August 27th.
Okay, I'll make sure I have it paid before then.
All right, best of luck to you, and make sure you don't get another ticket like that too.
Okay.
All right, best of luck.
Thanks a lot, sir.
You have a good day.
Hey, Your Honor, this Corporal Whitehead, I have to check into another courtroom. I can come right back.
All right. Are we ready on? Are you done, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Paris.
Yes, Mr. Larkin said that he was in the waiting room. Do you see him?
Yeah, I think this is him. Are you ready, Mr. Taylor?
I am.
Your client is still in the breakout room. It's still in the.
This is going to be adjournment, Your Honor. I'll get him.
It's going to be what?
Adjournment. She's got an OUIL coming up, and I need to consolidate them. The people just told me that. I just got the 2 cases, but she's got a drunk driving coming up on this case too, and I need to have them all together.
Mr. Larkin in the breakout room.
He's out,
breakout room. Ms. Paris.
Yeah, someone else.
Wait a minute. Ms. Paris, do you need a breakout room?
We do not, Your Honor. This has been adjourned we're requesting a final pretrial date.
All right. Ms. Geiger, did you speak to Ms. Geiger about that in the breakout room, Mr. Taylor?
I did.
You did. All right. Let's call it. City of Detroit. And you spoke with the city as well, right?
They're the one who told me the information.
All right. City of Detroit versus Tony Marie Geiger, case number S866702, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P5766, appearing on behalf of Ms. Geiger. Ms. Geiger, would you introduce yourself? Complete name, please.
Tony Marie Geiger.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes,
Officer Minyard, he was here. I'll reset this for a pretrial date, and that date will be May the 15th. May the 15th, 2026. You understand what's going on, right, Ms. Geiger?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, May the 15th. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and both of you have a very good rest of your day.
Thanks. Same to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Geiger, I'll be in touch.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Taylor.
All right.
I'll be right back.
Okay. What are we, Larkins? Are we ready on Larkins?
Yes, Judge.
Let's call the city, thank you. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Terry Larkins. Case number SP1867393 V132911825 and SP 156-88121. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, City of Paris, 88615 here on behalf of Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin, please state your full name. I think he's frozen, Judge.
Mr. Larkins? All right, what do you need, another pretrial date?
Yes, Judge. If we could also do May 15th, similar to the previous date, that would be helpful.
All right, May 15th is your next court date. If there's nothing further, Ms. Paris, have a very good rest of your day. Let Mr. Larkins know.
Will do. Thank you,
There-
Judge. Have a good one.
There? All right.
Hello?
Yeah, state your name for the record, please.
Terry Larkin?
All right, your attorney reset it for May the 15th to get some more discovery and things like that. She'll be in contact with you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best be safe.
You too, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, these matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Granberry, your cases are dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir.
Yeah, thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Tequila Annette Lewis. Case number is SP 135-03341, SP 150-41401, SP 158-75321, SP 956-945, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Tequila, Anthony Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's go back on the record. Did we get up Landster?
We are ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Where is that file? Let's go back on the record, Mr. Lancaster. Mr. Lancaster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Yeah, I messed it up. I mess it up every time.
It's Langster.
Langster. And I think about it and I still mess it up. I'm sorry, Mr. Langster.
No problem.
What's going to happen with this, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, there's been a recommendation. My client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of disorderly conduct under a 6-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Langster?
Yes, sir.
I didn't mess it up that time, did I?
No, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 21st, 2026 at around 5:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Buchanan and 31st. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were in a motor vehicle in the passenger side of a motor vehicle,
Yes.
and you had some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Had a bottle of Heineken, sir?
Yes.
And you stated that it was halfway empty, is that correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. $240 is the fine, 6-month delayed sentence. Don't do one of two, do two things, sir. Don't get any other tickets like this. Pay the matter before October 27th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, and we'll dismiss the ticket. Okay, sir?
Yes, I'll come down there.
All right, and then don't get another ticket. October 27th is your next date. If those conditions are met, I don't need to see you, but if it's not met, if it's not paid, or you get another ticket, I do need to see you. Mr. Langster, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Look, Your Honor, you said I need to come back on the 27th
of October if those conditions have not been met.
Oh, okay, I got you.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Michael Lanton. Run his license, please. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Michael Lanton, case number SP 1876776, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lanton, please state your name for the record.
Michael Lanton. Now you asked me to call, and now you're not responding. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's call Deshaun G. Are you there?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was in the bathroom. I'm sorry.
Yes. All right, let's back on the record with Mr. Lanton. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Lanton.
All right.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. There is an expired plate. I wouldn't have any issue with setting it aside. Mr. Lanton, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
He don't have
Nothing.
I'm taking a minute because he don't have a driver's license.
Okay. All right, very well. All right. Are we ready on anybody, Ms. Payne? I see you have some number of cases. Who do you want to go first?
Let's do Mr. Kavan Green first.
Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to pre-try this on ticket number SP 129-08401, which is driving while license never acquired. He's going to be pleading guilty to failure to display. Then on ticket SX 375-90341, which is open alcohol motor vehicle driver, he will be pleading guilty to open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, and the remaining 12 tickets will be dismissed. He's been advised of his trial rights. He's indicated he understands them, and he wishes to take advantage of the offer.
He wants to plead guilty to tickets that are like serious, super old, huh? Is he gonna be able to form a recollection of that?
I believe he will. The ticket SP 129-08401 is a 21 ticket.
And the other tickets are like 18, 19, 19. 20.
SX 375-90341 is 20.
Yeah, it's almost 6 years old.
Right.
Do you want to take this deal, sir?
Yes, I'm trying to move on with life, Your Honor.
Well, you can move on with life with going through the process of these. This is not going to stop life.
I'm 40, never had a license. I'm trying to do whatever in my best interest, sir.
That's why you have an attorney there to speak with you. You want to go back and re-engage him? I see these tickets for Vickers. He's gone.
Right. Those tickets obviously were gone.
Yeah, obviously.
Yes, I don't mind revisiting.
Yeah, he's talking about. I guess he said somebody told him, Miss Payne, if he doesn't take this deal and get this over with today, his life is going to end.
No, not
that would not be me.
No, not correct.
I mean, he said he's trying to get on with life. Life is going to stop if this stuff doesn't taken care of right now today.
I mean, license been hindering my life. Correct.
It's been I can see that.
I can't job wise, family wise.
I don't see anything here I don't even think he's ever gone to the Secretary of State. I don't see anything here that would prevent him. I don't know if this open alcohol driver would prevent him. Have you been to the Secretary of State to try to get a license?
No, I paid my insurance, my no insurance ticket, and I was told to, go and see how the court. I didn't hear you, sir.
For the Secretary of State.
Okay.
He has not gone.
Did you?
No, I haven't been to Secretary of State. I went to Secretary of State like maybe a year ago, and they gave me a list of all the tickets, and that's how I got on the road of, knowing what was going on with me.
You don't have that list with you?
I have the list. I don't have that list, but I have the list from the 36 when they printed them out again.
No, you need the 36. You need the Secretary of State list. We got your list here. Go back in the breakout room and wait on Miss Payne. All right.
No problem, sir.
All right. Let's pass that matter. I called him Mr. Gazard, but it's Miss Gazard.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, City of Detroit versus Ty Sean Gazard, case number SP 1718328, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon Payne appearing on behalf of Ms. Gazard, who is present via Zoom. Ma'am, can you please unmute and state your full name for the record?
Ty Gazard.
Thank you.
According to you, ma'am, date time set for a
pretrial.
Ms. Gazard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the offer is on the driving while license suspended ticket. That will be dismissed. The open alcohol driver will be reduced to open alcohol passenger, and she has already paid the default judgment that was previously entered on the no insurance ticket. She's been advised of her trial rights. She's indicated she wishes to accept the offer and plead to open alcohol passenger.
So the liquor, you want to take the deal?
No. Can I do a trial? Because
then set it for a bench trial.
Yes.
Did you see the ticket, Miss Payne?
I have the one ticket, but I did not get the other. I just have the ticket, correct?
Yeah. Did you see the notes on the ticket? I think that's where
I did see the notes.
All right, very well. Set a trial date. I have now trial dates for the May 26, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I have an in-person in front of Judge Archer that day. Could we, You do your best.
That's fine.
Okay, we'll do it in person.
Right, and she doesn't have to come in person. You could just come in and you'll have your phone with you, right? You can just zoom in from your phone, or you can stand there in court and zoom in, right?
I can,
Ms. Payne?
Yes, I can bring my computer.
Or your phone.
I can't do it on my phone. I'll do it.
All right, all right. May 26, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Gazard, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay? You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And Ms. Gazard will be in touch, okay?
Okay. May
All right.
26, 26.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
All right, let's go back. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Mariana Garcia, case number SP 187-4823, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon Payne appearing on behalf of Ms. Garcia, who is present via Zoom. Ma'am, could you please unmute and state your full name for the record?
My name is Mariana Garcia.
All right, good morning to you.
We are here for a pretrial, and the offer was dismissal of the civil infraction, 18 to 20 possession of marijuana under 2.5, and there will be a guilty plea under a 3-month delayed sentence on the transportation of usable marijuana.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, you're 19, okay. You want to take the deal?
Yeah, yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Now, that was 2 misdemeanors. It's not a civil infraction for underage 21 marijuana.
It's got it checked on the ticket as a civil infraction.
Yeah, but it's not here in the system as a civil infraction, but
It's
nevertheless, I think it's a misdemeanor 21. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah.
93 days in jail. That's a long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
And Ms. Payne went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the records?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 28th, 2026 at around 6:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and John Cronk. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Wait. Can you repeat that?
February 28th, 2026 at around 6:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and John Cronk Street. Did you have an occasion to get stopped by the police?
Yes.
Or come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You may not have gotten stopped. Well, you had to be in a motor vehicle.
She was a passenger.
Were you a passenger in the motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Had a marijuana pen inside of purse. Did you have a marijuana pen inside of your purse?
Yes.
Educate me, ma'am. What is a marijuana pen?
It's a little it's a little pen with like wax inside of it.
Wax. So that's just like THC.
Yeah.
Wax. And how, I don't know. You don't have to light it or something, huh?
No.
So it's almost like a vape pen.
Yes.
And I don't know how they know it's marijuana. I don't know. Well, is that what you had?
Yes.
You satisfied, Miss Payne?
I don't know if I could ask one more question.
You may.
Ms. Garcia, you had the pen, correct?
Yes.
And was there marijuana or substance that can be used that had the THC in the pen?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'll find you guilty as charged. Stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
When this should be like you say you're 19, this should be like a 2-year delayed sentence. Because she's not even supposed to have marijuana until she's 21, even if it's, what was this? A 3-month delay?
That's correct, Your Honor.
3-month delay, ma'am. Do two things. Do two things. Don't get in any other trouble like this. I'm gonna fine you $240 and pay the $240. August the 27th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Pay it and don't get any other trouble like that. We'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay. You said August 27th?
Yes.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. I could go now?
Yeah.
You can go now. That's the only thing she's concerned about.
There isn't no other like court date or anything?
August the 27th.
Okay. Okay, my bad. Okay, thank you.
Did you get that vape this morning?
No.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Hey, you too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Shit. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you need, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
So you're not pleading on any old 6-year-old cases or anything, huh? 5/26/2026 at 9 a.m. May 26, 2026, 9 a.m. Ms. Lewis, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Doesn't see anything here that is preventing you from getting a driver's license. You should go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, if you don't already have one, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
So thank you.
You're welcome. Deshaun G. Deshaun G.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun G. Case number SP1803282. Excuse me, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1858413. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP1859487. SP1859487. Counts 2 and 3. State of Michigan versus Deshaun G. Case number SX459626611. Appearance for the record, please.
Alwyn Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. G.
Deshaun G. Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Nazar appeared. Officer Dandridge appeared. Officer Clark appeared. And I didn't see the other officer, trooper, I believe that is. Mr. G, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Oh, okay.
All right. Mr. Lowe, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting on, I'm gonna take this tether off of him. I don't know which case has the tether on him. But here again, here's the problem. All right, let's go back on Mr. Green. Mr. Green, you want a bench trial date, right?
Correct, sir.
Trial date, May 26, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing, sir, I wish you the best of luck, but you go to the Secretary of State again and see if they'll give you a license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. And then you would be able to understand and have Ms. Payne be able to see that and be able to help you out and move accordingly, all right?
Okay, thanks a lot.
So much of a rush. Don't be in so much of a run his license, please. All right, ask for a printout. If they don't give you a license, they may give you a license.
Okay, sounds good. And what time was that for, Judge?
9 o'clock.
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
We'll be in touch. Thank you, Your Honor.
No
That's it
problem.
for me.
Talk to you. All right. Levy, you're up next, but I'm waiting on an attorney. Just give me a minute. I'm running that license. Is it valid?
Cancel.
Cancel. All right. Let's see. Do we know which ticket? Oh, I see what the problem is. We need to get somebody down here from the Tether unit. Because what's going on is, and Mr. Lowe, where is Mr. Lowe?
I'm here.
What's this? I don't have the ability to remove the tether because none of the cases that Mr. Lowe has in front of me have a tether. He's on the tether from his father, which.
This is domestic violence?
No, this has got to be some kind of drug related for his father, right?
Yeah.
So
So
what court was he in when they?
he's on the tether with Miss Holmes.
Judge Holmes?
Yes, the dad is. But they put the tether on Mr. Lowe.
The son.
And the son.
By accident or?
I don't, I guess
By
they're
accident.
just name Lowe. He went and turned, how did you get arrested or something?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
he
I was
got-
in
he
I was
got
in
picked
jail, and I was even in jail for longer than what I should have been and everything. I even lost my job. Like this shit crazy, bro. I can't believe this. I ain't gonna lie. I can't believe
Hey, we
this.
gotta still watch your language, sir. This is
I know, I'm
court.
sorry.
All right, let's see this. I know it's
Wayne County put the tether?
who put the tether on you, Wayne County?
Yes, Wayne County.
Yes.
Yeah, facts.
This happened like a month ago.
I
Can I
know.
ask you a quick question? Do you want me to call Ms. Judge Holmes first?
Well, call, I just text her. She hasn't responded to me.
Okay, or do you want me to call?
Well, we need to get Judge Holmes involved.
Okay, let me call it. And what's the defendant's name?
Antoine German Lowe, the
Come
second.
on, Lord. Second.
Come on, yeah. All right. Are we ready on G?
Ready, Your Honor. If we could confirm that Mr. G has a valid license?
Run Mr. G's license as well, please, Ms. Madam. All right, all right. What's so funny?
He's smiling at me.
Who?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Cracking jokes with you.
Well, cracking jokes on me when I'm gone.
No, we don't. We got enough respect for you. We'll wait till you come back.
That's good.
I know the Pistons better do something tonight. They going fishing.
I watched a little bit of Lakers last night.
I can't believe what they're doing without their two best players.
Did they win
last
night?
I know if they won last night, it's over. Because they were up 3-0.
Oh, were they?
Austin Reeves and
But you got LeBron James. I mean, the people talk about him, but I mean, the dude is just like a dang
still doing that 41.
Yeah. They lost.
They lost, so 3-1. Judge Perkins, Courtroom Officer Wilson speaking. How may I help you?
Mr. G, are you driving?
No, sir, I'm parked.
All right. He's got a valid license, though, Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, in light of the license, he also has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we'd seek dismissal.
All right, Mr. G. Have a very good rest of your day. Your cases are dismissed, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir. Be safe.
You too.
All right, Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Tahad Levy. Case number SP 157028181. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Levy.
He's got to press *6 to unmute himself.
Tahid Levy.
Tahid Levy, good morning. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Turner was here. See if you can get Mr. Levy an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to trial. Join the room, Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. He's in there. Let's go back on the past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanton. Mr. Lanton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to expire plates with the misdemeanor matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Those stipulations, I'll find you responsible, Mr. Lanton, for expired plates, $145. Dismiss the other case. When can you pay it, sir?
The 145. I don't have no job right now, so I'm gonna work on it probably about a month or so.
And Your Honor, if I may, on his behalf, he did indicate that he completed the street court program. I believe that's the one you indicated he completed. And I believe he got these tickets after. So if there's any leniency or consideration the court will take on his fines, it would be appreciated.
Well, you want to do 6 hours of community service?
Yes, I'll be happily to do that, Your Honor.
All right. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow him to do 6 hours of community service. I guarantee if he does a good community service, he's gonna make a connection and get a job. Let's see.
Yeah, I need a job, man. Thank you. God bless, man.
Convert to community service. Do you have any you wanna try and see if you can get a job with the Wayne County Sheriff?
Man, I got felonies right now. I gotta get deleted.
That probably won't work out. Who else do I know?
I'm a good landscape. I do cooking. I do cleaning. I do whatever.
I need to get back over there at the skilled trade service center. You need to go to the skilled trade people. That's what you need to do. There's a shortage of skilled trades in every trade. I would go to the local union. I would go to the local union halls.
Okay. I'll definitely yeah, I'm gonna try to work with Detroit Prosper Us. They trying to help me too.
Well, go to the local union halls, sir. The skilled trade unions. We're talking about a carpenter, millwright, that up there on Webb and on 96. They got a brand new building over there. I mean, they're looking for trades like nobody's business. And they start you out at $30 an hour or something like that. Start out. You just have to pass the test. I'm gonna go back over there and reconnect with them. Listen, I need a good phone number from you, please.
It's 313-798-5946.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be the skilled trade. I mean, not the skilled trade, but the community service coordinator. I got it referred to community service. Come back in a month, and if you find that they haven't called you, reach back out to us, and we can get them. We can get them set again. Come back on May 28th, 2026, at 8:25. If those hours are complete, we'll close this matter out. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. What time you say?
8:25.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate you so much, man, for the help. God bless.
And keep on. It's gonna, I told you, like you said, when you went to street court, you completed that. It's gonna get better, sir. Just keep on. Your break is gonna come, all right?
Okay, man, I'm trying.
Yeah, keep on. That's all you can do, right?
Yeah, that's all we can do.
All right, be safe, Mr. Lanton. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Answering your text, she said you can use your discretion to remove the tether.
But does she understand what's going on?
I did explain to the clerk about the father situation and how it got put on him.
Yes.
Okay, so I did tell her that. That's what she said. You can use your discretion if you want to remove it. We just have to do a motion, ordering it to be removed, and I can fax it to Wayne County, and then I'll fax it to the tether.
I need to speak with her though.
Okay.
Because I don't want this to, the father. What's going on with Mr. Lee? Were we waiting on an attorney for him?
We'll try to call the bench. 42280.
I'm gonna go down there right quick. I'm gonna go down there.
On your phone.
I'm gonna go down there.
Okay,
What's her courtroom?
133.
133.
You can do 42280. That's directly to her bench. She has to pick up because it don't go to the court.
What happened to Miss Lee, Mr. Lee?
I'm right here, sir. I've been waiting.
I know, but what somebody was their attorney supposed to be?
That was for the other Lee. I never heard nothing.
All right, City of Detroit. Oh, you're the last one anyway. So it's not like we skipped you. I don't, you know what I'm saying? City of Detroit versus Tyrese Lamont Lee. Case number, or strike that. State of Michigan versus Tyrese Lamont Lee. Case number SX466766131. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lee. Please state your name.
Tyrese Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a show cause. Purpose of arraignment, counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have the absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Excuse me. What's her number?
Let's see if it'll work. It's 42280.
Do I press 7?
No, just do 42280.
Call cannot be completed as done.
She was happy.
So I have to go down there.
Yes, you can talk to her.
Where's 133?
What you do is you just go out, go to the back hallway, take it all the way to one. Once you come to one, there's only two ways. There's three doors on there. Magistrate entertainment, and the other door is home.
In the middle of the two?
Yeah, when you come out on one on the elevator, you're gonna have video filming rings, and you're gonna go.
So I come out on the elevator. Which way do I go? Left or right? Make a left.
Another door, that's her phone.
So she's on the last one. All right.
You should open up, or you got your badge. Should. Or not.
All right, let me take this. I'll be right back. I'll wait. I'll wait. I know I can do. I know Miss Knuckles. I know.
Trying to make sure I'm telling you the right thing.
I know I can do it.
I'm trying to make sure I'm giving you the right, because I haven't been down there in a minute.
I got this. It's all right.
This is my son's interview.
That was easily the craziest
I don't know when this is.
That was easily the craziest game I've ever played in my whole career. I'm sure some of the other guys can say the same, but I mean, just what we did, like the belief was always there, and I'm so proud of our team and so proud to play for the team.
This the press conference after the game?
I don't know.
He said it was the craziest game.
I don't know what he's asking.
He was at a press conference, it looked like.
2-3 minutes long. I gotta watch the whole thing.
So he played again.
I'm sure they're talking about the game against DC United.
They won.
They won the other day too.
Did he play?
He played only like 15, 20. They put him in at forward too. He only played like 15, 20 minutes, 18 minutes. He came in, and when it was 1-1, and he just couldn't he didn't really get going. It ended up 1-1, and then that was another tournament game, so they had to have a winner. And then this time they don't go to overtime. They just went straight to penalty kicks. And we missed our first penalty kick, but then our goalie blocked 3 of their penalty kicks. So we won in penalty kicks.
So that 15, 18 minutes beat getting put in overtime.
No, that 15-8, that overtime was the best, because that overtime
because he had that winning play.
He had the time play, you know what I'm saying? And it was against the MLS club and all that. So Wednesday, I'm going to Columbus, Ohio. They got to play another MLS club on Wednesday in that same tournament. It's 2 different tournaments going on at the same time, and then it's the regular season. So you got regular season, the cup tournament, and then the inter USL league tournament. So the Saturday they played the USL League tournament. That was everybody's first game in that, and they came out again.
So did he say why he felt like he ain't played good in 15 years?
Yeah, he said he just never could get going. It was just, and then they put him in at a different position. You know what I'm saying? He just said he never could. He was making some decent runs, but.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's just everything that you've ever trained for in your whole life. Like you've been down in training sessions and stuff, and when it happens in your life, you're like, okay, this is what I've done, this is what I'm used to, so we got to do it, and we got to do it for at one point you got to think we're gonna do it for 120 minutes if we don't score. So just fall back on stuff that you've done your whole life, and being a defender is basically
Trained his whole life. He's played that game since like 3 or 4 years old. All right. Are we ready on Lee?
Yeah. I mean,
let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid insurance and registration. I only saw one matter on the docket, but I thought the court called more than that.
No, just one matter. I'll dismiss for providing valid documentation. Mr. Lee, you owe a number of civil infractions you never paid and misdemeanors you never paid. So you have $1,263. This case is going to be dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
All right, you too.
Thank you. All right. All right, let's go back on the record Let's go back on the record with Mr. Levy. Mr. Levy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of allowing for the improper license charge.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Levy?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
So by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 1st, 2024 at around 10:37 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Vandee and I-94. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
They were suspended.
All right, find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. That's a 0 point that doesn't affect the Secretary of State. There is a $240 fine. I'll dismiss it upon payment. When can you pay?
I'm trying to pay within the next 30 days.
All right, pay it by April the 28th, 2026. That's your next court date, April the 28th. Strike that, May the 28th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Lee. If you don't have anything further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, you too.
All right. All right, I'll be back. Recess.
Court is in recess.
I don't know what happened to Guy, Deandra Guy. She said somebody was supposed to be representing her. Oh, and Matthew Dupree. And he came in for a second and he left.
Okay, I'll give him a call.
And I don't know where she went either.
Can you mute that for me, please?
Yes.
I'll call.
Good morning, Attorney Berry.
Good morning, Officer Wilson.
Yeah, good morning.
I was told to call this number if I didn't hear from someone for mobile loans after 3 hours. I'm in the midst of an application for a loan. March 20th, 1944.
Confirm your date of birth is March 20th, 1944, correct?
Correct.
And what are the last four digits of your social security number?
0905.
Confirm. The last four digits of your social security number are 09.
Morning, Madam Clerk. Thank you very much.
I can't hear you. Oh.
She fell off. So if you can reach out to her, give her a call so y'all can talk, okay? Where did he go? Matthew Dupree? Let me get off this computer. I really don't like Amazon. Matthew Dupree?
Hey, Jamira.
Yeah, I was just about to call you. If you can reach out to the client, do you have her phone number?
Yeah, I just talked to her.
Okay, because she had fell off too. So I don't know if she's gonna reconnect.
I think she's a teacher and she's in the classroom. So I'll bring her out in just a second. Do you know if either I had two others today, a Tony Geiger for trial?
Well, unfortunately, somebody beat you to that. That was Edward Taylor. He appeared on her. And I mean, excuse me, I don't know if it was she or he, excuse me on that. And what was the other defendant?
Isaiah Galloway.
Isaiah Galloway. I don't believe she zoomed in because I didn't pull a file for her. Let's see, let me double check. Isaiah Galloway.
Yep.
I think she was set for pre-trial.
Correct. Did Geiger, what ended up happening with Geiger? House counsel handled it?
No, Edward Taylor, he appeared on that matter. I'm trying to see Galloway was set for a trial. I don't know if you have her phone number. I don't know if Richard appeared on the officer, because you will have to wait for the judge on that. But if you got her phone, give her a call.
I've been trying to get a hold of her. She's never gotten back to me. So that's probably a capious.
Okay, you're correct. So, all right.
All right. Is it Tamika today for the city?
Yes.
All right. And do you know if you know what? I can go check to see if the officer's here on Guy.
Yep. I'm here. I'm Corporal Whitehead on this case on Miss Guy.
Hey, Corporal. Sorry to keep you waiting this morning.
Yeah, I'm trying to reach Miss Horn myself to talk to her about this.
Cool.
What about Brian Nelson? Is Brian Nelson here?
I don't see any other officers, but it ultimately doesn't matter because Miss Galloway didn't grace us with her appearance.
Oh no, she's here.
Oh, she's is.
Not Galloway. Oh, Whitehead is not on Galloway. Richardson is on Galloway.
Yeah.
I is in breakout 13, look like.
Yep. All right.
All right.
I'll try to get a hold of Miss Horn myself.
I know that's not Richard Whitehead. That's Richard. Because Whitehead is a Richard too, isn't he? Yeah, but that's Richard's son. I need to go home. Lunchtime. I think we can finish early, but I might be. Wow. I was up early.
Court is back in session.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe, what I need you to do is I need you to head down as soon as you can to the Wayne County jail where the tether was put on. Is probably a different. Did you go down to the Russell Street location? Was that where you were at?
Yeah.
All right, I need you to go back down there as soon as you can. They're going to remove that tether. I'm going to waive this reinstatement fee for you. I know you've been through a lot. I'm going to waive this reinstatement fee. What that's going to do is going to make you, it's going to make you eligible, at least with the 36th District Court, for a license. I'm going to set a pretrial date. I'm going to set a pretrial date for 5/15/2026 at 8:30. Can you put that waiver of the reinstatement fee in here, Ms. Mathis? So we're gonna try to get you back straight. I know you can't make up for the time that you lost, but we can move forward and see if we can get you back going. This is the wrong tickets in here. Yep, for let is in here. So there's not, there's some of Lowe's, but it's mostly let in this file.
What is he scheduled for?
He's scheduled for a pretrial. All right, so you got some wrong tickets in there. All right, so Mr. Lowe, here's the deal. Go down to the tether unit. They're gonna remove the tether. I just talked to Judge Holmes. Where's your dad?
He died like 20 years ago.
Oh, he died.
Yeah.
So were you ever in front of Judge Holmes before?
Yeah, when I first went to jail, like when I went to jail, I had to wait until Monday to see Judge Holmes because I went to jail on a Monday. So I waited till Monday to see her, and she sent me to the county to get fingerprinted. And I seen her again Thursday, and she still made me pay another $500 bond. So what about all my bond money and all this? Like, I ain't got no job, none of this. I lost everything.
Let me go back down here and see this. I didn't know that.
Yes, I've been in jail for like 2 weeks. I lost my job. Like,
let me go back down here again. Let me go back down here again, because
I paid like $1,500.
I know. Let me say this. So here, let me get this straight. You got arrested at some point, right?
Yes.
And at some point, you all right, we're and is your contention that you've never got any drug charges before?
Never.
All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, I believe what you're telling me. I believe what you're telling me. I'm gonna go ahead and just, we're just gonna give you another pretrial date of May the 15th at 8:30 a.m. I waived the reinstatement fee. So at least as it relates to the 36th District Court, you should be eligible for a license. We've got the order to remove the tether from you. Judge Holmes is sending that in now. And go down to the tether unit where they put the tether on. And as soon as you get down there, they should remove the tether, okay?
All right.
And then after that, go to the Secretary of State in the next couple of days or so and see if they'll give you a valid license, all right?
All right.
All right. And then we'll talk again on the 15th, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, sir, and have a very good rest of your day, and get down there as soon as you can.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right. That seems like it'll good. Corporal Whitehead, we're done. Oh, Mr. Dupree, your client was here. I don't know what happened to her.
She's here, Judge. She's in the breakout room. We're just waiting for Miss Horn to return.
Oh, I was about to. Oh, she's been in the breakout room, huh, for a long time. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I'm here on her, Mr. Judge. I'm on guy.
Yes. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. Can we get Miss Horn back? Please. Mhm. All right, let me go back down.
Method Dupree, you probably already noticed it.
What?
He's here.
Yeah, let me go back down and speak to the Judge Holmes.
Officer Nelson?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am. So given a courtesy conveyance to one.
Officer Nelson, are you just connecting on Keandre Guy?
I'm just checking back in. I've been in
Okay.
three courtrooms.
Okay, hold tight because all the parties are pretty much here. The
Okay.
judge just stepped for a little small recess and he'll be right back. So you can just hold tight and don't move if you can.
No
Really
problem.
appreciate it. Harris. Attorney Harris.
All right, here, that's for low. I think they sent it over.
Is this the go in his file?
Yeah, see if, they, make sure it gets over to them, and you gonna fax over a copy to them, you can. All right, are we ready?
Still waiting for Miss Horn.
Contact Ms. Horn.
I sure did, I sent her a text. She said on the record with her last case, she'll be here as soon as possible.
All right, she responded on the record. What happened to Dominique Loggins? And Monique Loggins, I know we called that. I think I remember gave you that
You said
file.
a trial date.
Yeah, I gave you that file. I just didn't mark it off. All right. So what's the deal with, how are we gonna proceed with, Galloway just appeared since she hung up? How are we gonna proceed with the guy off the record so we can, know what's gonna happen? Where's her phone?
I've got to talk to Miss Horn to know how we're going to proceed. I guess the most likely outcome may well be an adjournment.
And what, for what reasons?
Additional investigation and to have the victim appear. But I'm not certain if that'll end up being necessary. I'm hoping that possibly a conversation with Miss Horn and Corporal Whitehead might be able to resolve it.
And Bianca Lewis, that doesn't seem like it should be under review. That seems like it should be under warrant status
But Bianca.
on the review.
Did we say Miss Galloway had shown up?
She did join. She did, but she fell right off. She was in the breakout room. It just had Aisha's iPhone. So I saw that one being at the top of the list. Spelled exactly the same way.
Yeah.
Asia. So she did join. Is that your client as well?
It is, Judge. Could we maybe go on the record and reset it for a pre-trial since she seems to be having some technical difficulties?
I'm gonna have to schedule that for sure.
Which one?
Show cause works too. Just as long as we can avoid a
she-
capious.
You're talking about something else.
Oh.
Why don't you try to give her a call right quick? 'Cause
I
it
will try
seems
right
like
now, Judge.
Has her phone working?
Did the officer appear for Miss Galloway?
He did.
How you doing? I'm fine. What's going on? Yes. Yeah. You said something about a $500 fine.
He said he had lost many bonds. I'm gonna look that up now.
Right. And he said he
No
lost
answer, Your
something.
Honor.
But he shouldn't have lost them like Judge Holmes said if he showed up.
Did it say he forfeited? Do it say opening the bond areas? Now page up, I'm just saying page, if you put the page up and see if the bonds are still.
It's Ms. Horn. Go to 4, Mr. Dupree, if you have co-host abilities.
Over to the right, you'll see.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Is it still open? Okay. Well, is the case in warrant status? So you got a date on it? Does it have a date on
There's Galloway.
it? Okay, so we scheduling that. I think
Galloway is here, Mr. Dupree. Galloway,
Got it.
why are you?
I can't hear.
Why are you so late?
My phone just dropped off Zoom. My son had a doctor's appointment.
Go ahead, speak on Miss Galloway as well, Mr. Dupree. Ms. Horn is waiting on you in 4.
we should be good.
Thank you, Your
Hey,
Honor.
Judge, can you switch me to the breakout room? This Corporal Whitehead.
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Officer Nelson. Could you send me the breakout room as well? Thank you.
Good morning.
Yeah, his money is still open for cases. So
And how much he put 500 on
she
both?
said the clerk called and she saw that when he posted the 2 different $500 bonds, but he hasn't forfeited or failed to appear. So you have dates on it. So once he completes everything, either they can apply the bonds to his cases or he'll get the money back.
Oh, so he's all right then.
He just probably upset.
Well, he doesn't know. I'm sure he's upset too, but he doesn't know. I'm trying to see what case his bonds are on. There's 500. There's 500.
He says it's open. Yeah, I see it. Okay.
Mhm. All right. What's your grass looking like?
My grass is looking very green, which is a plus. It's filled with dandelion.
Okay, so that yellow bag is
I
gonna
did,
take.
I put it out, it rained.
You did already?
Well, it rained the other day. They are, my people who cut my grass cut it, which I was kind of not ready for that. So it rained the other day, so I got up early when the dew was out and put the fertilizer on the front and back.
You know it's not time for it yet.
It's bad, it's hard because it's 50%, like it's so much, and so it's about to.
It's about to die. They're dying though, because that's gonna kill them, right? Dandelions are the easiest
I
thing
got everything. I got dandelions, I
Yeah.
got purple flowers.
No, those
I got-
purple flowers are bad.
I got the little grass and the little ugly looking grass. I forgot what they call it.
Crabgrass, that should be fixed with that blue bag that you put down. Hey,
I went back out.
what's up? We just sitting there talking
I
about
did
grass.
go back out and put some blue bag back.
Cannot keep putting that stuff
It was
down.
terrible. Okay.
You cannot do that.
I did this too. It's supposed to rain today, so hopefully, once it rains, it'll get it into the soil. Because I didn't.
You gonna kill the grass?
I know they said you can't kill it.
Yeah.
And grass, they said I should do it. Because I've been looking into it.
I didn't see that many damn,
They wasn't there. It's like after you put
What's
the
up?
bag
You all
down.
right?
Good. How you?
How you doing?
Hey, lady, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Did you get your Vandee yet?
I never bought the Vandee.
You didn't?
No.
You didn't see one you like?
No, I wound up hanging another little light in my kitchen.
Oh, okay.
But I might, if I get everything one day down the line, I might get a Vandee.
Yeah, because I know you was getting fancy with that
Yeah, 'cause I do
Vandee.
want a fan in my house.
Now, what is a Vandellini? Or is that just y'all extra word on it?
No, it's called a chandelier. It's a chandelier. I know.
She's fancy.
And
I already know.
It's a chandelier fan.
It doesn't look like a fan, so it's encased.
Right.
But inside this beautiful thing is a fan in there. So if it's an aisle, it would be like cool out the house. It don't be looking like an ugly fan.
She fancy.
I see.
This home improvement
Yeah, I see.
2.5. You know what
I
I'm saying? She up on all of the.
And everybody's still on 1.0, huh?
Right. She's 2.5. You know what I'm saying?
That's because my best friend is a decorator and she's 10 years older than me. So
she got on all
Yeah,
she got on
she
all the
been-
hookup with all the ladies.
She need to get the grass cut together because she about to kill that.
no, I'm not.
So when did you put some more blue bag down?
Right before it got cut, I went back just in the
Why would you put some more blue bag down?
just in the. Just,
Are you spreading it over the whole grass like you're
No,
supposed
I
to?
just attacked the crabgrass area. It was
Aerate that grass.
No, but you know something,
But it looked really great.
I'm gonna have to do Miss Mathis like I do some of the defendants in here. She ain't following no directions.
Man, you gotta aerate that soil good.
But
so-
you gotta also read the directions.
I did, but
No,
I did do.
You're sitting in here putting the bag on just spots.
I use the things.
But you need to put it across the whole lawn.
No, I put the guy when he came in Power Rake, he fanned the blue bag all front and back.
Okay, that should have been it.
I know, but that crabgrass area, because it did say, but I have to read the back of the bag. Because I be watching this guy on YouTube. He was saying that Scots don't normally, I forgot what they called the crabgrass. They had a letter N. They said it is not listed on the bag. I gotta go back and check. That it may not kill it. But the grass is green.
Well, it's not gonna kill those purple violets.
The
It's not
grass
gonna
is
kill
green.
those.
It's flourishing. It looks good. It looks green. It's just I got the purple violets. I got crabgrass. My grass is hidden. I even got wild.
Just don't wait. You gotta just do it at a process and it's gonna take some time.
And I just put the.
Danielle L.
I think it was too soon for the holiday.
Yeah, it says May 22nd. I sent you
They
the app.
said late April too.
Well, I sent you the app, didn't
You did send me the app, but I've been on.
I? Turn your camera on, please. Hey, I see you.
They did say late April too.
All right.
But you can only do it once a year.
Once a year or twice a year for that yellow bag, I think. Danielle L, turn your camera on.
I'm trying to turn it on.
How can we help you? You don't need to sign on again. You already signed on. goodness. How you doing? How may we help you? Good morning to you.
Good morning. I'm trying to court date today, but I was kind of late to it. Is it too late for me to join?
I don't see you on the docket.
It said I had it for 8:45 today with Perkins.
Oh man. So you're late today. You missed the court date before. You're gonna have to start be more responsible, ma'am.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Danielle Leah. Case numbers SP 183-1527 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-3297 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-9001 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 188-53621 and count 2 as well. Appearance for the record, please. Nobody wants to represent you, ma'am.
So what do I do? Wow.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, Ms. Leah.
Danielle Carly.
State your name again.
Danielle Carly.
Lee is the last name. Okay.
Yes.
Today is the date set for a show cause, Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. You need the ink pen, Mr. Berry?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
I have no insurance proof. Equipment violation. 11 to 15 over. No insurance proof. Equipment violation. No insurance proof. I have 3 no insurance proofs. All of them owe reinstatement fees on them. I'll allow her to pay the reinstatement fee up front. I think we've been through this before, and we're not going to continue to go through this, ma'am. Next time you miss the court date, I'm going to put a cash bond on you, meaning that if you get stopped, you miss the court date, you get stopped, you're going to go to jail and have to post a bond. All right?
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
All right. All right. So you have them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mrs. Lee, with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. I'll tell you what happened to me. I did like you did one time. I was getting over exact. Next thing I know, I put too much fertilizer. Grass was brown, everything. And I was like, but it would have been brown by now.
No,
It didn't
green.
it didn't take that long for that to happen.
No, it's real green. Because I went out early in the morning when it was wet. They said, well, when the dew was out. And it had rain the next day.
So it can stick, that's for the yellow bag.
Yeah.
So it can stick to the
So I got up early though. I didn't want to go out. I went out and I spread it in the back in the front.
over the whole lawn. You have a spreader, you just using that hand thing?
I gotta get a push away.
Yeah.
Cause that stuff got irritated once I got in the bag. So I said, my line is bigger than what I think it is. So I said, I'm gonna get you one of the little roll things. Cause I was trying to make sure that I did it right. So I'm getting you one of the little roll things.
And then you're gonna make sure that you can set the dial on there
I
like
set
the
the dial
bags.
right. I read that part. I did read a little bit, Judge. Even though I'm not.
I didn't think you had a dial on that hand
They got a
thing.
dial on. They said put it on 4.5.
And then it's getting all on your feet and
I
everything
had on
too.
boots. I have boots in the garage because I'm gonna go out in the line.
You all.
Then I leave them in the garage. They'll be hoping those spiders don't get up. It's toxic.
I gotta go out here and mow my lawn. I haven't mowed it yet.
I suspect, I think it's the people who cut my grass. They spread that stuff.
They do.
I do.
Yeah, it
I
does.
think because my grass had no dandelions before they cut it.
The guy on the corner from me,
They cut my grass.
he will
and
not.
My grass is filled. When we put it out, I hadn't put the stuff out because I thought it was too soon. He came and cut my grass. We hadn't talked yet for the year. Right after he cut it, about a couple days later, I had my grass was full of dandelions. There was no sign of that. I think it's that big lawnmower.
It is.
And I don't think it's really cutting my grass. I think they just smashing the grass. It's so big. And the grass is just laying down.
But now what can happen too is if they don't maintain their equipment and sharpen the blade, then it can, then you need a sharpen blade. I gotta get it. I'm about to order one.
I think they were spreading that crap. They gotta rinse that stuff off.
Yeah, they're not gonna do that. They're going from one house to the guy on the corner for me. His stuff looks like it's like fake.
That's how the grass got, yeah.
His stuff looks like, and he's got a guy to do his lawn, but he makes the guy use his lawnmower just for that reason, because he's like,
Yeah. But he cuts the other people's grass, but they had true green come out. Some of the neighbors had them cut with one of the push things.
what kind of Richmond car do I have? I have
Because after your friend came out and power raked my grass, he did, what was it? I forgot what he did, what he put on my grass. He put on
the guy that I brought to you the other
my
day?
friend who passed.
Oh, yeah. That was years ago
But whatever he did to my grass, whatever fertilizer, he did an emergent. Whatever he put out, it had my grass green, I didn't have dandelions, my grass was looking good. Because he was telling me if it didn't work, I was probably gonna have to do some side. So me and my mom was like, whatever he did, he made it green. They started cutting, the next thing my grass was filled down. Now I've been thinking it's been that lawnmower thing. Lawnmower.
I can buy that. That sounds like,
I could be wrong.
but no, it'll do that.
Lawnmower, so I don't have to my own stuff. So
I got a lawnmower, Brandon.
I want, is it Perkins?
Yeah, actually it is.
Is it small, like?
Yeah, it's just a push one.
Okay. How much you want?
You can just give me you can give me what I paid for it. I paid $227 for it, plus tax.
227. This check.
I'll put it in the back. I'll bring it over to you, maybe not today, but to some, whatever, tomorrow or something. Or maybe later on today.
The grass is cut.
I know, but you can have it. I just get it out of my garage.
So who cuts your grass?
I cut my own grass. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lee, you have $135, ma'am?
What is the child doing?
For what?
So that you can bring it in and pay these reinstatement fees up front, so you can potentially come back and have a valid driver's license when you come back.
Oh, well, that's why I don't have a license.
Do you have $135, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I need you to bring it down to the court. There's
Today?
no better way that well, as soon as you can. There's no better way that I can allow you to do it, but to bring it in. You bring it down and you pay these fees up front, and you'll get clearances here with the 36th District Court. I said you can potentially get a license because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions.
This is here.
Okay, so you potentially said, so once you pay those fees, then go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you the valid license, come back, and ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay.
All right, come back on the 26th of May at 9 a.m. for trial, all right? Don't be late.
I will not. I'm going to put a reminder.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
May 26th, correct?
May 26th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day as well.
Thank you. They sent it though, right?
Still in again? Should be. First I sent it to my old apartment. I see it.
Who?
I'm fine. How do you? Thank you for calling Dallas Public School.
Of Lanton?
Yes. Okay, what happened? You were not able to make it? Okay, what's your ticket number? Or give me your driver's license. It's okay. You can just give me your last name. You say that's it on the time. M-I-G-O-N, show last name. What's your first name? You have a middle initial? Let me make sure I got this right. You said L as in ice cream. I as in ice cream, excuse me, LGON. Douglas. Douglas. You don't have to explain it happens. Okay. Next up, we have the court. Okay. Have a good day for you.
Hello. What I do now?
This one.
It's okay. You don't have to. All right. 8:35.
I don't know what I told them. Well, I must have told them, hey, because I would have.
Gave him a 3 month, yeah.
I would have put down, well, yeah, I gave him a 3-month delay, so.
Or did you, did you tell him don't get it no more? I don't know.
No, it would have been, Grady. Yeah. Oh, that's the one that had,
That was the, him.
he
Wasn't
had,
it at the bus station? Let's see where it was
yeah,
at.
yeah, he had,
No,
had,
that ain't him.
yeah, he urinated in there because he was at the bus station.
Right. But is that the bus station on West 8 Mile and?
Yes,
Okay.
that's the state fair.
West 8 Mile?
Yeah,
Not East 8 Mile.
right behind, the Myers and stuff, a state fair.
Oh.
That new one.
Oh, okay.
He said he had,
You told him 240, right?
high blood pressure. Did I tell him 240?
I'm not, Jamar said that's your regular now.
That is. He said he had high blood pressure. Yeah, 240.
Okay.
Miss Williams Law,
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna ask Miss Williams Law to make sure. Oh, she.
That's the correct. He was gonna be.
What day was this? Let me see.
That was Thursday.
That was Thursday.
Yeah, Miss Williams. 418.
Gary and Grady on.
We got 420 stuff.
425.
I mean 430.
This is 420.
Judge, we're ready on Isaiah Galloway.
Okay. On
Asaya.
Sorry, Isaiah.
On the. The 23rd, April the 23rd, Mr. Dearian Grady came in. His case number is SP 174-50181. Dearian Wildarius Grady, DARIAN Grady. Can we see what the sentence was for him, the 23rd? All right. Okay, 240. 240. All right, thank you. All right. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Asaya Galloway. Case number SP 186-89821. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for the defendant. Miss Galloway, would you state your name, please?
Hi, Asaya Galloway.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Richardson did appear. What's going to be the resolution, if any?
Judge, we are asking the court, I'm sorry, Judge, we have a proposed resolution here under which Ms. Galloway would plead responsible to a reduced count careless driving. We would ask the court to adopt that proposed resolution.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Galloway?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other, well, you've already, when we amended that, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of careless driving. That's a civil infraction. Ms. Mathis, can you tell me how much careless driving is, please? I got to get the fine for you, ma'am, all right?
Okay.
All right, you go ahead and deal with the guy. We'll enter it as careless. I just got to get the fine for your client.
Thank you, Your Honor. Judge, for Miss Guy, it looks like one of her cases is going to be adjourned and the other one will be a trial.
That just started.
Can you get the careless driving fine for me, please?
Careless driving.
Yes.
But why I call on this sheet nine? Just want 210, Judge.
$210. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galloway. $210, Ms. Galloway. When can you pay it?
I can pay it on Friday.
All right, pay it by May the 4th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways. Here you go. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Galloway, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. Stop writing.
All right, let's.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get Guy's file, please? I gave it to you back. Guy, I gave it back to you.
Hold on, turn. Now the judge comes before.
No, he doesn't think so. Thank you.
What's the case? Z809.
Not if you know it was your notes. That's good enough for me. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Deandra Guy, case number SP 183-8261, counts 1, 2, and 3. 8. You have to be quiet, ma'am. SP 183-8263, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 187-110, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Your Honor, Corporal Whitehead, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Corporal Whitehead, badge 4344, Detroit Police Department, Traffic Enforcement.
And Officer Brian Nelson is also here, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon. This is Officer Brian Nelson, back 3664, Detroit Police Department.
All right, day and time set for a trial. Go ahead, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, with regards to Officer Nelson's matter, SP 187-011-01 and 2, the defense would be moving for an adjournment. Judge, I was spot appointed on this matter just several weeks ago, received discovery. In the intervening time, have discovered that there is an alibi defense that I need to investigate. Additionally, I will probably need the victim to be present for trial to present an alternative defense and need time to get her contact information, contact, subpoena her. I'm asking if the court would reset this matter for a pretrial.
And Your Honor, the people have no objection.
That matter will be set for a pretrial on May the 15th, 2026 at 8:30. Officer Nelson, you're free to leave. Be safe out there.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. All right.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, with regards to the other matter, and I apologize for cutting you off, there was an offer made here, which was that if the defendant pled responsible to failing to stop at a stop sign on SP 18382611, the city would dismiss SP 1832631 and 2. I presented that offer to my client, and she is declining it and wishes to go to trial and formal hearing. If the court is okay with it, I'd like to briefly would-hear my client regarding that.
All right. Do you want to go to trial on a no valid registration, expired plate, no insurance, misdemeanor, and an unregistered, untitled, and a failure to stop, Miss Guy?
Miss Guy, I need you to unmute.
All right, you're gonna have to now you're gonna have to separate yourself from your job and from this. You're gonna have to pay full attention to us, all right? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor, sorry.
All right, so you want to go to, no, leave it unmuted.
Yes.
You're gonna have to go. Unmute, please.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna go to trial on this failure to stop, no valid registration, expired plate, no insurance, misdemeanor, and unregistered, untitled, ma'am?
Yes.
All
Judge,
right.
if I might,
Mm-hmm.
I do see that Miss Guy is at work, and I think at a schoolhouse. I am wondering if perhaps we should consider resetting this for an in-person trial so that she's able to be present and giving it her full attention.
And the people would agree.
Let me ask you this, Miss Guy. I don't have a copy of the ticket here in the file. What do you do for a living, ma'am?
I'm a school teacher.
And so you're in school every day, correct?
Correct.
And when would you be able to take off to deal with these matters?
I guess whenever you guys schedule me.
You want to come back in the morning? Is that too soon of a notice for your school, or how much notice?
Kind of too soon. Maybe Friday. Can we do Friday?
Judge,
all right, let's reset this for
Matthew Dupree saying something.
Let's reset this for the 26th of trial / pre-trial for the 26th of May, okay?
Okay.
The 26th of May, you have to, and I don't necessarily think that she needs to be in person, but you have to be off and ready and not if you're gonna, I'm gonna make you in person, everybody's gotta come in person.
I can do that. I can be in a quiet classroom with nobody in there.
Judge, I think if we're actually having a trial, my strong advice to the defendant would be for it to be in person at the courthouse.
Okay.
All right, so take off the 26th. Everybody's in person.
Okay. And would this also include the tickets that Officer Nelson is on as well?
Well, we can if you have to subpoena him for those. But I set the pretrial already. I gave to Officer Nelson May the 15th.
Okay, so that's a pretrial date. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Okay.
It's a pretrial, so we can also put all of this on the trial date as well.
So could we keep those as a pretrial?
We keep the pretrial, and I'll have the file here, and I'm sure Officer Nelson we can let him know right at the date of if we need to continue that as a trial date on the.
Okay, I agree, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the 26th. Come back on the 15th, ma'am. The 15th of April. You can come back on Zoom. I mean, of May at 8:30. You can come back on Zoom of that, but make sure you have a quiet classroom so we can we don't have to have a broken up discussion. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Judge, I thought we were going to set the pretrial for May 26th, so he only has to come back once.
No, let's set. We've already told. Let's set because you may be able to work that out. Okay. Let's leave the May. You have 2 dates. The one date, May 15th at 8:30. You don't need to appear in person. The other date, May 26th, you do need to appear in person. And I don't think I have to tell you to write this down. You're a school teacher, ma'am.
Right.
All right. 9 a.m. for the May 26th in person. And that's in person for everyone. That includes Corporal Whitehead. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. If it's nothing, everybody have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.